In this video, I'm gonna tell you the #1 mistake that 98% of affiliate marketing beginners make. I'm telling you guys this because I don't want you to be in the 98 percentile. The mistake is this, not knowing this one word, localization. What is localization? In regards to affiliate marketing, localization in simple terms is this: the process of automatically redirecting a user to the appropriate online store for the location that they live in. If you're still a bit confused after hearing this definition, don't worry, I'm gonna play a quick snippet from last week's video where I give a great example of what localization is and how localization works. And if you are someone who takes part in Amazon affiliate marketing, then this snippet is going to benefit you immensely, as I briefly describe an online tool called GeniusLink, which provides localization for major brands like Amazon, Microsoft, and Apple Music. With that being said, make sure you guys stay till the end of the snippet, as I'm going to provide you guys with 2 free tools that are guaranteed to skyrocket your affiliate marketing revenue through the process of localization. So without further ado, here's the video. Localization is pretty much just the process of directing your international audience or audience that is not currently in the country that you're in to the appropriate storefronts for their country. For example, many creators have audiences in other countries. You may have people watching your videos or viewing your content in other countries as well. I am a creator in the USA. If someone from the UK clicks on one of my affiliate links, it is very possible that they'll actually be displayed the Amazon US storefront and not the UK storefront. Oof. GeniusLink actually identifies the country that the user is in and redirects them to the appropriate storefront for their country. This is very important because many creators actually miss out on affiliate commissions that they could be making from their international audience. Why is this? The currencies are different in different countries, the shipping rates are different in different countries, and some products aren't even offered in the same countries. So oftentimes what might happen is one of your followers might click your link, see that all the information on the link is specified to an American citizen, and be like, well, I can't buy it because I'm not gonna convert my pounds to American dollars, and then they'll exit. They're like, I don't wanna make a purchase. I'll go look up this same product on my UK storefront, and then you won't get that commission for that purchase. The redirection of users to the appropriate storefront for their country allows for a much simpler and quicker process for the user. Amazon does offer this exact service for their affiliates called OneLink. However, GeniusLink is partnered with not only Amazon, but other brands like Microsoft, iTunes, Walmart, and Best Buy, and GeniusLink offers localization for the other brands that they're partnered with as well. This localization is important because it allows you to expand the countries where your affiliate links can be used, which means that you'll also make more money. Perfect, now you have a more in-depth understanding of 1, what localization is, 2, how localization works, and 3, why you as an affiliate need to make sure that you are using tools that offer localization for your affiliate links. And luckily for you guys, I'm gonna provide you with the localization tools you need in this video. I have 2 free tools in addition to GeniusLink, so a total of 3 tools, which you guys can use for absolutely free to ensure that you begin to make extra money through localization. The first tool is called Kitco, and the second tool is called Amazon OneLink. Kitco is a website that allows creators to create product groups or kits. These kits are highly effective as users are directed to one website where they are shown photos, descriptions, and purchase options for your different affiliate products rather than having to click on each individual product link to see the products you are recommending. The second free tool is called Amazon OneLink. Amazon OneLink was created by Amazon specifically for Amazon affiliates. This software pretty much redirects your audience to the appropriate Amazon storefront for their specific country, thus making sure you earn commission for the international sale of your affiliate products. Now, this video is a brief explanation of what localization is, as well as a quick explanation about the free localization tools that are available to you guys. However, I did do a very in-depth walkthrough of each of these 3 tools in last week's video. And if you are serious about increasing your affiliate marketing revenue, then you must watch this video. I will link the video right here above. I will also link the video at the end of this video on the end screen, and I'll make sure to link the video in the description as well. Now for the moment you have all been waiting for, this week's book of the week. You guys were waiting for that, right? Or am I the only one who gets excited about the book of the week? This week's book of the week is Tough by Terry Crews. You guys all know Terry Crews, the original Macho Libre. He's always on the Old Spice commercials, twerking his pectoral muscles. Well, recently Terry Crews wrote a book called Tough, which is his life story written by himself. Believe it or not, Terry Crews grew up in extreme poverty with an abusive father who was an extreme alcoholic. In his book, Terry shares the hardest parts of his life where he desperately sought control. He shares his unhealthy experiences with toxic masculinity, shame, sex, pornography addiction, and racism. He also shares how he was able to overcome these extremely difficult struggles and become the man that he is today. Every man watching this video needs to read this book. as this book will provide you with a deeper understanding of the importance of mental health in the male community. One of my favorite things about this book is Terry Crews's willingness to describe the cultural norms and taboos that ask us men to be outwardly tough while leaving us inwardly weak. Click the link in the description to listen to the book for free when you sign up for a free 30-day Audible book subscription trial. Before we close, I just want to take a quick second to say thank you guys so much. Last week we passed 300 subscribers. Today is June 10th, 2023, and we are currently at 370 subscribers. We are almost at 400 subscribers, which is the next milestone. So if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, then make sure you do, because if you don't, you don't want to see what happens if you don't. No, but on a serious note, thank you guys. I appreciate every single one of you. I love every single one of you guys, man. Again, the video from last week is a more in-depth explanation of localization, as well as a more in-depth explanation of the 3 tools that we went over in today's video, which will be linked right here for your convenience. Until next time, guys, take it easy.